So today we're going to make easy bake Oreo cake. What we'll need, the base of the cake is going to be 4 packs of Oreos, a pack of Toblerone, some dairy milk. Both the Toblerone and the dairy milk are going to go inside the cake. And then we've got some more milk chocolate, which we're going to mix with the double cream to make icing to go on top. And then we've got some Ferrero Rochers for decoration. And the milk and the baking powder are also involved inside the cake. So the first part is to grind the Oreos into a fine powder. You can use a food processor to do this. Okay, so we're adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We're also going to add 1 cup of warm milk. And we're going to mix this all together. So now we put half the mixture in. Now we're putting bits of chocolate in. Any chocolate.
Even if you don't have chocolate, you can skip it.
And the second layer. Remember to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. We're just waiting for that now. We're going to place it in the oven for 25 minutes.
25 minutes?
Yeah.
180 degrees.
While we're waiting for the oven to heat up, we're just going to make our chocolate sauce topping with milk chocolate and double cream. So we're just going to melt the chocolate easily by placing it in the microwave, checking every few seconds. So this is the second minute after the microwave. It's important to check in between each minute just to make sure you don't want to burn your chocolate, because that will stink and that will ruin the chocolate. Add in the double cream and mix this bit by bit. So we're still going to add some more double cream to this because this is a bit too thick right now.
Okay, so about 200 milliliters. Slowly incorporating.
This is more the consistency that we were looking for. So it's been 25 minutes now, the cake has been cooking. So now we're just going to check if the inside of the cake has been cooked. So we're going to use just a skewer, or you can use a toothpick. Put it in the middle. If you get some cake coming off, then that means it's not fully cooked and you need to leave it for longer. Okay, so we've taken the cake out now. We had to leave it in for an additional 7 minutes until the cake was fully cooked. We checked with the skewer again to make sure. We've taken it out and allowed it to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now we're going to place our chocolate sauce on top. No English.
Can I put it in the bin?
Yeah, you can.